Alright guys, a siren test. It's also raining out, which is weird. Here's some sirens going off, so that's the first of the month, it's June. Yeah, I know it's raining outside. It's not what it looks like, but here we go. Here's the siren test. You can hear it. Yeah, I can't step out because it's raining. I don't know why it's raining. But here we go. I can barely hear the sirens. Some of them going off. I don't know if you can hear, but I can. I'm at my backyard right now, so yeah. Yeah, look at that. It's raining outside. It's weird. I really don't hear the sirens over here. Well, it's going off, but like one in my area, like it's not working right. I don't know why. I need to get that one fixed. It was going off for a tornado warning, but like once the month comes, it's not working for some reason. I don't know what's up with that, but still hear some sirens going off. Yeah, I think I can step out a little bit because it's stopping raining. I don't know if I can. Yeah, it's still raining. That's what's going on. Still hear some sirens going off. Yeah, I can hear one stopping. I think that's it. I barely don't hear it anymore. Okay, well, I think we're done. Yeah. And it's raining. Don't know why it's raining, but I guess, yeah. Alright, that's it. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to say that this was a siren test. That there was no siren test at that time. So yeah. Okay. See ya.